Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeKotha. Today we are gonna make a Java program, a guess the number game. So let's get started. The rules are simple. The program generates a random number between 1 and 100 and the player has to guess it. The program will give hints like too high or too low until the correct number is guessed. First we need to import two Java classes. Scanner for user input and random to generate a random number. Import java.util.scanner, import java.util.random. Then we define our guess class and create the main method, public class guess, public static void main. We have to create a random object to generate a number between 1 and 100. Random equal to new random, random.nextInt ensures the number is between 1 and 100. Now we need to take input from the player. We will use scanner for this. Int guess 0 in attempt equal to 0. Here the guess will store players' guesses and attempts will count the attempts. The condition of the while loop is simple. It will stop while guess is not equal target number. Let's write the condition. Let's write the if statement. Simple. If guess is greater than targeted number, system.out.println too high, try again. As if guess is less than targeted number, too low, try again. Else println congratulations, you guessed the number in dash attempt. I'm explaining here how it works. The user enters a number. If the guess is too high, the program says too high, try again. If it's too low, it says too low, try again. If the number is correct, it congratulates the user and displays the number of attempts. Okay, it's done. Let's see the full code again and let's run the program and test it. I'll enter a few guesses and see how the game works. Okay, that's it. We have successfully built a guess the number program in Java. We practice as loops, conditionals, user input, and random number generation in this program. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.